In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free email campaign in Canva vertical bar email marketing. By the end, you'll know how to pick a professional template, customize it to match your brand, add clickable buttons, make it email safe, and either send it directly from Canva or export it for your email service provider. First, log into Canva and use the search bar to look for email newsletter or email marketing. This opens up a library of ready-made designs that are sized and structured for email. Browse by style, color, or industry, and preview a few options to see how the layout handles headlines, body text, and calls to action. Choose a template that already feels close to your brand so you'll spend less time adjusting later. Click Customize this template to start editing. Replace placeholder text with your own headline, supporting copy and any key details your audience needs. Keep paragraphs short and scannable and use clear, benefit-focused language. Update fonts and colors to match your brand. If you are using Canva's brand kit, apply your saved palette and type styles for consistency. Swap out images with your own photos or Canva's library and add your logo in a prominent but not overpowering spot. As you refine, keep alignment and spacing tidy so the design looks intentional and easy to read. Next, add interactive elements. Go to the Elements tab and insert a button or a shape that acts like a button. Label it with a clear action such as Shop Now or Learn More. Select the button, click the link icon, and paste your website or landing page URL. Make sure the button color contrasts with the background so it stands out, and keep the number of links focused to guide readers to one primary action. Before sending, use email safe features. Stick to widely supported fonts like Arial, Helvetica, or Roboto to ensure your text looks consistent across devices. Keep images optimized by avoiding oversized files and overly heavy backgrounds. This helps your email load quickly. Maintain accessible color contrast and legible font sizes so it's easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Canva's email templates typically follow standard email widths, so stay within that structure for reliable rendering. When you are ready to publish, you have two options. To send directly from Canva, click Share. Choose Email, add your recipients, and personalize the message. It's a good idea to send a quick test to yourself first to confirm links and layout. Alternatively, download your design as a PDF or PNG and upload it to your preferred email service provider for sending and tracking. Thanks for watching.